We are at their water intake screens where they have had difficulties with
the sand piling up in front of the screen areas.
In the 6 bays that are in the picture. They previously have been using a 8-inch suction line, manually moved around to try and suction the sand that lays in these bays out. The sand is approximately 4 foot currently under the surface of the water. The bays are roughly 15 foot deep. Today we've set up to pump directly into a dump truck with the 4-inch line. We're tying it off, and the pump will be kicked in shortly. We'll show you a shot of that as it's discharging. We're getting about 3/4 of a dump truck in about 15 minutes of pumping. We are lowering the pump into various areas of this particular bay in front of the screens and cleaning it out to the bottom of the bay, which is about 15 foot below the water level. We have direct wired the pump to a 60 amp breaker and are carefully watching the ammeter, which is simply a clamp-on type, to avoid drawing too many amps on the motor. It also allows us to clearly define just how much material we are pumping at any one time. This is a shot of the discharge off the dump truck as we're pumping a heavy slurry. Mainly it's water, good heavy runoff. Most of the solids stay in the truck. The operation's been very successful to this point. We've hauled roughly 5 truckloads out now. This is the load dumping. As you can see, there's about 3/4 of a box of sand on that load. You can see some of the other loads that are already preceding that load. This is coming out now of the 2nd bay. We've already cleaned out 1 bay completely.